Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Secure the device physically and remove it from networks because any new writes reduce recoverable data. Once done, power it off and boot from external media if possible to prevent the OS from initializing. Make sure to use a forensic imaging tool and a clean target drive for the image. This preserves the original. You do this to capture a bit-for-bit copy, not a file list, since factory reset overwrites file tables while raw blocks can still hold fragments. Now create a verified block-level image of the storage medium, because working on the original risks further loss. Once the image completes, compute and record hashes like MD5 and SHA-1 to prove integrity and to validate later steps. Next, mount the image read-only and run file carving tools and file system parsers. These recover fragmented or orphaned files that the reset removed from directory structures. You do this to reconstruct files from raw sectors and to distinguish intact files versus corrupted fragments. Finish by exporting recovered artifacts to a separate drive and keeping a clear audit, record timestamps, tool versions, and hashes. Once done, validate files for usability and, where necessary, run repair utilities on partially recovered documents or media. If carving yields nothing, make sure to switch to a broader signature database, adjust block sizes, or try an alternative carving engine. If the image shows read errors, retry controlled low-level reads or consult hardware recovery. These steps salvage marginal sectors without further harming data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.